Hello guys, this is Multimedia and I'm your host Shahman. You might want to make some video for your YouTube channel or your Facebook fan page or whatever the reason you love to make video, but you have no idea where to start or what equipment do you need to start a good looking video. So here today I'm going to help you with the list of equipment you need to start shoot a good video. Believe me, you don't need some expensive or fancy equipment to make a good video. If you have a DSLR camera, that's fine. If you don't have a DSLR camera, guess what? You can use your smartphone. That's it. So yeah, let's start our video. Alright, first thing you need a video camera. I highly suggest you can use a DSLR camera to record your video. But if you don't have a DSLR camera, you can use your smartphone because nowadays smartphone video is very good. You will get high quality video with your smartphone. So use your smartphone to record video if you don't have any kind of camera. Alright, second thing you need a audio equipment to get better audio quality because your built-in microphone is not good enough to provide you very high quality audio. So you can use some boom microphone or dynamic microphone or clip-on microphone, any kind of microphone you want. So it will give you very good and clear audio. So audio is half of your video basically. If your video is not good enough, that's fine, but you have to get good care of your audio quality. So use some external recorder and external microphone to get a very good audio quality. Okay, number three, you need a tripod. If you are shooting alone or if you don't have any assistant or someone to help you, tripod will help you a lot because you don't have to hold your camera or you don't need someone to hold your camera for you. You can just stand on tripod and keep talking. And another thing is, if you don't use tripod, you will get shaky video and nobody willing to watch shaky video. That's look very unprofessional. So what you need to do is use your tripod to get stabilized footage. That's awesome. So that will give you some professional look and that's very good for any kind of video, for your short film, for your documentary, or like me, you are talking in front of your camera. That's fine. So use a good tripod. Alright, now you need some lighting source. You need some lighting equipment to see your subject clearly, to record video clearly. Without light you cannot see anything, right? So we need some good light source. And you can use any kind of light. You can use tungsten light or a normal light that you use on your house or something like that. So in this perspective, if you have a DSLR camera, you have a good choice and better option to use white balance. You can manually control your white balance on your DSLR camera, but if you are using smartphone or something like that, then you should use some bright white color light. That would be good, white or warm white. But if you are using red light or something other kind of light, then that would be very complicated for your smartphone to recognize the exact perfect white balance. So use some good light source to get some very clear video. Alright, you have recorded a lot of video and you have some fun with making videos, etc. Now you need to cut and merge your video footage because you cannot watch that 3-second or 5-second, 10-second clip separately. So you need to join them. So what you need is a good computer with a good video editing software. You can also use your smartphone to cut and join your clips, but I recommend you if you're planning to make some good video or you want to work in future, you need to learn professional video editing software. So I highly recommend you to use Adobe Premiere Pro or the Bing Resolve or Avid Media Composer or Final Cut Pro. These 4 software for your computer. But if you are using Android phone or iPhone or something like that, you don't want to learn a lot of complicated stuff, then you can use your smartphone. So you can use Filmora video editing software, or you can use Viva video editing software, or KineMaster video editing software. That's good video editing software for your smartphone. So cut them, join them, merge them, and render them, then upload it on YouTube or Facebook or whatever you want, and watch it and show your friends, and that's how you will get fun with making videos. Alright friends, if you like this video or if you learn something from this video, don't like to share and like this video, and comment below if you want to problem with understand something, or if you don't understand something, or if you want to teach us something, just feel free to leave a comment. I really appreciate it, and I will reply you on comment. So I will see you in the next video. So in the meantime, take care of yourself. Bye bye.